Hey guys, welcome. My name is MC. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you know the drill already. Like, comment, share, turn on the notification bell so that you know when I post videos. So this is not just for makeup artists alone. If you're a beauty entrepreneur, you're into hair, skincare, makeup, nails, this is also for you. Over the weekend, I saw a fellow makeup artist complain about how she was being exploited because she was having online classes, online makeup classes, and she was posting it on WhatsApp. And people, what happened was, instead of people would contribute the money and one person will attend, and then that one person that attends will take the videos from the class and share with other people. And sometimes they even go ahead and ask other people to pay extra just because they want to make extra money. I felt really bad. I felt like, why are they, doing this? This is somebody's hard work. This is somebody's sweat. I felt funny. I felt one kind. I think that's how people are generally. I don't even blame her. But she was like, she was discouraged. I could tell that she was discouraged because this person is a fantastic teacher. Like, I know she will go all out to take classes, to give the best. So now finding out that people are trying to play fast phone on her, I felt really bad. So I thought, okay, let me just do this video and share with you, just in case you are in that spot as well, you're discouraged. Let me be honest. So I felt, okay, a lot of people don't know that there are other ways you can have the other ways you can host your online classes without necessarily, using WhatsApp. If you are going to be going in class and you're going to be attending, and she's spending so much time and energy and effort to take you on this class and she's doing this much, the least you will do is, ask for a discount or something and to attend the class. Not that you now will be doing such. It's very belittling, And then the funny thing is, karma is a bitch. Whatever you do, you reap. So that's not even. So I just wanted to share. There are other platforms that you can use to host your online classes if you don't want to do WhatsApp classes. We have not found a way to tidy up that loose end where people can exploit you and download your video for free. I will give you some other options. So let me start. Number one is you can use webinars. Go to webinars. Webinars are way easier, because it means that when you're doing webinar, you can actually see yourself. You can use your phone. All these options, you can actually use your phone. So you can use your phone to create a webinar, and you have them sign up for the webinar, give them a code, and then they sign on, and then you have live class. And then in the webinar, the paid webinar, you can actually even have your slides, your recorded classes showing, so it's not going to be the type that you can actually download on your phone and no, you can't do that. So you watch while you're playing it and then you learn. If you don't want to do a live class, you can actually do a recording. So you can actually do PowerPoint presentation by the side. People can actually see what you're doing. You can teach, you can do whatever you want to do. So go to webinars are actually your number one options. It's perfect. It just solves the problem. So anybody that doesn't have that code can sign in. So another option, the number two, is the paid Zoom class. So the paid Zoom class is actually, it's very similar to webinar. So it allows you, it pay because you have to have some features like the settings. You probably not put on the record so that nobody can record the classes while it's ongoing. You won't give them an option of record. So just come to the class, look at what is done, give them assignment, they please attend to you, that kind of thing. So they can record and take that and send. So it's a way of copying them as well. Then the third one is Google Meeting. You can actually go to Google and just the same setup like you have for the webinar and all the Zoom class. That's the same thing. So you add them on. Everybody must have a Gmail to use the Google Meeting. So you add them their email addresses, and then everybody attends the class. But the options of them trying to record while you're having the classes will not happen. So everybody just comes in, attend the class, and they're good to go. So that's it. So it eliminates all that fast thinkers. Then the number four is actually a lot more expensive, a lot more capital intensive. So it means you have to create a website or a portal where you can post this video. Like you have an academy, so it's not going to be one-off thing. So it's probably going to be out you do a training on how to tie gele, how to do your makeup, how to do your whatever classes you want to put. So it's just going to be like you're going to be posting classes on this portal, and then it's paid. You have to pay, get a cloud hosting company to help you host it. They're going to be paying for, we probably had to pay tax to it so that when they are paying, you can do the deduction. So it's a lot more, what's it called? It's a lot more capital intensive. Then it's per view. It's going to be encrypted in a way that people can actually, once you click on the video, just one person that will allow to view at that time. So nobody can come and say, I'm sharing the password and everybody do. No, it won't work like you uploading because videos they're going to be uploading are going to be videos that are uploaded, they're not going to be something that somebody just come in and click and watch. No, they have to have their password, they have to log in, they have to have the login details, and it's going to allow per person, that password per person. So it's not going to allow multiple users, like your phone, your laptop, so just one person per view. So that's a lot more capital intensive, like I said. But then if you are looking at becoming an academy, that's an option you can look at in the long run. A quick recap of all the options that I've mentioned. One, we have the GoToWebinar. One, we have the GoToWebinar. Two, we have the paid Zoom classes. Three, we have the Google Meeting. And four, we have the dedicated website portal where you can upload your videos, get them scripted, and it's going to just allow one person per view. You probably have to pay for hosting, like I said, and all that, but that's another option. So those are like the 4 options that I know of that I'm just sharing today. There are a lot more other options, that if you want to explore, you can. I'll probably leave a number below or an email address below of somebody who can actually do the rendered services for you if you're serious about looking into those kind of options. You understand what I'm saying? So you're not discouraged. I felt one kind, I felt somehow, because I felt like this is somebody's effort, and then this is somebody trying to make it path for herself, and then somebody is just sitting somewhere and trying to explore that. No, so don't be discouraged. Training seriously. There are other options that you can explore aside from WhatsApp, and outsmart these people, and then you can also make money as well. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, please let me know, and options. So you look at the ones that works for you. So if you're a makeup artist, a nail tech, whatever you're trying to look at options of hosting your classes online, making money. So these are other options that you can look at aside from WhatsApp, because now I found out that WhatsApp classes are not as tight and money tight as we thought it is. It's convenient, yeah, but then it's not going to save your ass from people exploiting you. So these are other options that are giving you other options that are safer and then smarter way of doing it. So I hope this video helps you. That's just my only little contribution. And if you need more information, please let me know in the comment section. I will put in the description box of detail of somebody that can actually help you, the email address and I think phone number. So maybe they'll just be of help to you. And if you're serious about looking at this option, so they just help you and guide you on how to go about it. So and then that's about it. So I hope this helped you. If you did, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to also like, turn on the notification bell, subscribe, and share this video. And till my next video, bye.